Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will address the power delivery issues with the HP 13A model. First, ensure you have the following tools at your disposal: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a multimeter for testing voltage. It's crucial to use the right tools to avoid damaging your device. Let's start by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source to ensure your safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back cover of the HP 13A. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as we will need them to reassemble the laptop later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Once the back cover is off, you will see the internal components. Before we proceed, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from inside the laptop using compressed air. This not only helps in cooling but also ensures better performance. Now, let's locate the power delivery circuit, which is typically near the charging port. Check for any visible signs of damage such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice anything unusual, it may be time to test the power delivery using your multimeter. Set your multimeter to the appropriate voltage setting and check the output from the charging port. If the voltage is not within the expected range, you might need to replace the charging port or the power delivery IC. Now, if you don't have the necessary tools or feel uncomfortable performing these repairs, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can help identify the issue accurately. If you opt for our services, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making this process hassle-free for you. No calls, no travel, just a simple and convenient solution. If the power delivery IC needs replacement, carefully desolder the old component using a soldering iron. Make sure to follow safe soldering practices to prevent heat damage to surrounding components. Once the old IC is removed, place the new power delivery IC in its position and solder it securely. Ensure all connections are intact. After replacing the component, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Before closing it up, perform a final check on all connections and components to make sure everything is in place. If you're unsure, you can always reach out for a quote before repair for clarity on the costs involved. Now, with everything secured, place the back cover on and reinsert the screws. Tighten them adequately but avoid over-tightening as it could damage the casing. Finally, reconnect the power source and power on your HP 13A. If the laptop powers on without issues, you have successfully repaired the power delivery problem. Remember, if you run into any complications or prefer not to tackle this on your own, we're here to assist. Just reach out for our professional services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.